Hello everybody, I am Kimhab. Today I show how to create workspace and install some extension for PHP developer in VSCode. Let's practice together. This extension I have installed. First you need to add a folder your project to the VSCode. And then you need to save workspace to where you want to save. This is my workspace. And then you this is after you created workspace. This is my extension, and some extension I need to disable for workspace because Django we not use for PHP. So now you need to pause the video to install extension for PHP Laravel develop. This is a better command: code space, git history, gitlens, HTML, icon intellisense, javascript. This is a choose, not choose, and disable. Choose. Okay, and disable it. Disable. Type in. Okay. Boom. Now I don't need boom yet. Okay, disable boom. Need to reload. Okay, reload. Disable. In order to filter, you need to check embol. Better command, code space, PHP. Okay, I need to summarize again. This is the extension that I use for PHP. Better command, Laravel, blah blah blah, and prettier code format. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.